Now the application of the rules which I told you on addition, subtraction, multiplication and so on. So simple additions will be done. We are seeing it for the addition. We are having three lengths as you see here, 17.2, 2.132 centimeter and 0.43 centimeter. We are arranging the numbers in this way, right? And when we are adding it up, we are getting 19.762. This is a simple addition, right? Now, what we need to do is we need to write it in proper number of significant digits. So what we check here is that which number is having the least significant digit after the decimal. So you see there is one digit after the decimal. So whatever the answer will be rounded off till one digit of decimal. This is one digit of decimal. If this question would be having two digits of decimal as the least number, then the answer would also have been in two digits of decimal. But the least digit after decimal is 1. Hence the answer also is rounded off as 19.8, and I hope you can understand. 2 is here, so 6 will be the same. And when you're rounding off for 6, the 7 changes into 8 centimeter. Right? So this becomes 19.8 centimeter. Similarly for subtraction. Subtraction, two lengths are given here. The values are written accordingly, and when you are subtracting this, you are getting 15.262. And again, the least number after decimal is 1 here. So we are rounding off till one digit of decimal, and when you round it off, we are getting by 2 ki jagah 6 will be there, and when you are dropping 6, then 2 becomes 3, right? And this becomes 15.3 centimeter. So children, I want to tell you one thing. When we are doing this type of questions, these questions will be given to you in your test. We are not checking your addition and subtraction. Okay, if you do this entire thing, write the answer, and you are not rounding it off according to the rules, no mark will be awarded for only addition and subtraction. Please listen very carefully. No marks will be allotted to you, awarded to you for only addition and subtraction. We are not checking your addition and subtraction. We are checking the application of the rule here, right? So until and unless you are writing it according to rule, that if there is only one digit after the decimal and you are writing the answer similarly in both the cases for the addition or subtraction, then only the total, even if it is of 2 marks, those 2 marks will be given to you for this, not for addition. Please do not come and say, ma'am, I have done working and so give me marks. We are not seeing the working here. We are seeing the application of the rule. Now, a question can also be like this. This is given in the power of 10. This is 2.56 into 10 to the power of 3. And this is given just as a digit. So, whether we have to subtract or add, I'm showing you the addition. You can even do the subtraction in the same way. The first step you need to do is you need to write this number also in the power of 10. So when you write this, it becomes 41.762 into 10 to the power of 3, which will give you the same number. So what we see is that we need to write both the numbers with 10 to the same power. Now, if I say I'm adding it all, if you want to subtract, you can subtract it also in the same way. When you're adding, the final answer you're getting is as 44.322 into 10 to the power of 3. Now, again, you need to check the least, rounding it off. When you're rounding it off, we are having 2 digits after decimal. This is having 3 digits, this is having 2 digits. So, this answer has to be rounded off till 2 digits of decimal. So, here, 2 is here, so 2 remains here. We just drop off 2 and there will be no change in the digit, hence 44.32 into 10 to the power of 3. Now suppose, let me explain you one thing more. If suppose this answer would have been something like that, 5 and 6, okay, into 10 to the power 3. Suppose the answer would have been this. So then you have to drop, this answer would have been 44.36 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, because the numbers are same, so it might be a little confusing for you because the same digits are coming. If in case the answer would had been this is not the answer. If it would have been coming like this, then the round off would have been 44.36. You are rounding off till 2 digits of decimal because the least number after decimal is 2. Okay.